He don't go. Bro, hold on. He don't go with the forces, bro. Like, I mean, I got some red forces on. Like right now, I really look like Seatbelt. Shut the fuck up, bitch. Damn, I'm finna put you fucking on. Bitch, you see I'm trying to motherfucking talk to y'all, bro. Like, damn, bro, shut the fuck up with that extra shit, beeping and shit. Motherfucker call my motherfucking phone and shit. Damn, too much motherfucking shit going on. But I'm sorry, y'all. It's just a whole bunch of shit. Damn. But you know what I'm saying, bro?